Good morning. Uh, Here we go. I'm gonna make a short video about what I'm saying on Twitter. And I'm gonna try to plug my iPhone to my computer. And got the recovery mode on iTunes. And but my phone is still blank unless you open Tiny Umbrella. And it's not detected on Tiny Umbrella. Sorry, let me zoom in. And there's no way I can click this kick device out of recovery. And my phone, it is connected, and there's an option to restore it. Let me try to restore. I got blank white screen, and then there's an error. That's what I'm talking about, the error 28. Thank you.